Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Swingvy Tutorial. My name is Anna and today I'm going to walk you through how to connect claims to payroll. Let's get started. Here we are on our claims page. We click on reimbursement, submit payroll. And here you can see at the bottom all approved claims. Any declined claim or not approved claim will not be shown here. Before we start submitting the claims to payroll, I would like to tell you that the payroll is only available to our payroll subscribers. If you're interested in subscribing to our payroll module, please contact your customer success manager. Okay, let's click on Start Submitting. Here we have 4 different steps. We start with Select Payroll Cycle, which means we select the payroll period and payroll type, and click Continue. Second step, which is to select the report, we have to select all the reports. Here we can see November and January. If you see your reports under ineligible reports, it means that you need to go back to payroll and check your settings. Then you click on Continue. Okay, in the third step, we have to select payroll item. Our claim type is transportation. In our previous steps, we've already connected it to reimbursement. So you can click Continue. The last step is to review and confirm. You look at your payroll cycle, you look at your reports, and if you're happy with all of it, you click Complete Submission. That's it for now. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at support@swingvy.com. Thanks for your time.